22 years of age, happily married with 2 kids, a boy and a girl. I live in Taluma River, Campo Tres, Calinan, Davao City. I have experience as a housemaid for 2 years. I am the one responsible for the household chores. I am the one who takes care of their children. I am the one who washes their clothes, ironing their clothes, and others.
What experience do you have in taking care of children?
I have to change the diaper, I have to prepare for their food, and I have to study for their homework.
If the child is not feeling well, what will you do?
I will give them proper medicine, or else I will call my employer and ask for their instruction.
If your employer has visitor, what will you do?
I have to entertain the visitors of my employer and give them my services.
Are you willing to take care of pets like cats or dogs?
Yes, sir, madam. I love pets.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to earn for a living, to support my family and my children.
If you are lucky to be selected, what can you promise to your future employer?
If I will given a chance to work in Hong Kong, I will be honest and loyal, and I promise to finish my contract. Thank you.